Yeah. Mix it in. Woo! Oats, blend, get that, I got it. Hey. Welcome to the Aroma Taste, everybody. Welcome. You know it's the boy, the aroma boy, you know? The guy with the, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, welcome. You know what's today? Secret ingredients is, you hear us sing the song just now, right? Peanut, oats, grab out, I'm gonna get the, you know what I'm saying? Today I'm gonna do a strong back cake. Not a strong back juice like everybody doing a strong back juice. I'm gonna put it in a cake, you know? Yeah, one slice, trust me, oh my god. One slice, you know what's gonna happen. For both men or women, you know how it goes, right? Okay, so here's our strong back cake ingredients right here. It's a lot, but you know I'm the chemist guy, you know how to put things together to let it happen. So I'm the first one to do a strong back cake. So here we have our stout, whether Jagan, Guinness, whichever stout you use it. Some we maybe don't have that stout or that stout. So this is our Jagan stout. This is the Magnum. This is the Magnum right here. Yeah, the Magnum tonic, you know. And here you have the peanut. You got the oats, linseed or flaxseed. Guys, the great one, sea moss or Irish moss. Trust me, this is 100% sea moss. This is the gel. Look at it. Oh my god, guys, you see this? Look at that. It's all rude. Why are you thinking like that? It doesn't look like that. Okay, so here we have our half cup of oil or 1 cup of milk. Oh, I didn't tell you that. This is 1/4 cup of the Magnum tonic wine, half cup of the stout Guinness, half cup oats, half cup peanut, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup milk, coconut milk. Here you got a teaspoon of cinnamon, teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon nutmeg, 2 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Yeah, you know it's the boy, the Aroma Taste. I can do anything. Trust me, I'm the creator. So here now, we're gonna add our dry ingredients. Hold on, let me get that thing right here. So we're gonna add our dry ingredients. And this, 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Guys, 1 slice, you know what's gonna happen. Trust me. So now we're gonna add our dry ingredients. So we're gonna add, you know, I didn't say that already. I'm gonna add it. Peanut, oats, blend. Mix that. And then now we're gonna blend the peanut with the coconut. Yeah, see what we're talking about? Should I put the sea moss in here now? No need it. Add it to that. Blend. I won't blend it smooth. I want to eat. You get a little crunch. Peanut, oats, blend. Peanut, oats. Back here. Guys, trust me, this is gonna be amazing. You know, see that? Gee. I feel. And you know the banana, gonna put it inside this too. You know? See that, guys? Trust me. I gotta get the chip. Great Jamaican strong back in the cake farm. Yes, it can happen. You know the aroma taste do anything. Trust me. Woo! Right, I'm telling you. And here is the glory, the sea moss. Oh, jeez. You see that, guys? Great Magnum tonic wine. But if you don't want to use the alcohol inside, that's fine. You can take it out. But they said this is what gives it the strong back, right? This is the the stout. Woo! See that? A little bit of the oil. That's half cup. Canola oil. I only use canola oil for all my ingredients, but you can use any oil. Any oil. And then you mix. This is really the you know, will be created, right? Yeah, you know. Yeah. Mix it in. Woo! Mix it in. Can smell the real the drinks. That's how it smells. Trust me. That's how it smells. Mix. And you guys must wondering, why you didn't blend the oats? No, I don't want to blend the oats because when you blend the oats, you know, I don't want to get that tight gooey flavor, that tight gooey texture now. So I just add it to it. It's best. And it's cake, it's not a juice, so I have to know how to do the mix. You know, I'm the chemist, so I know how to do the chemistry. Woo, see that, guys? Look at it. Same color it will have, right? Like the juice, right? Yeah. You know it's the boy. Alright. And remember, you can follow me on TikTok, The Aroma Taste. You can follow me on Facebook, The Aroma Taste. You can go on Facebook and just bust that like, you know, give that page a love. And you know, Instagram, The Aroma Taste. And you know, the YouTube channel, The Aroma Taste. So just go over there, guys. Just give me a support. Really appreciate it. Thank you all who start supporting me already. Really appreciate it. Okay? So just ping, 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 you know, notification. Ping. Yeah, so every video I do, you're the first one to get it. Okay. Alright, Momo. Peanut, oats, blend. You know. You know. So here I'm gonna add the oil. You know, extra protection. You know, add the oil, guys. Extra protection, you know. Yeah, to so it don't stick. So you're gonna add it in now. Here we go, we're adding it. And remember, support the aroma taste, okay? Support the aroma taste. You know, Instagram, the aroma taste. Facebook, the aroma taste. TikTok, the aroma taste. Let's go over there, give us support. Subscribe on YouTube, okay? Thank you very much for supporting me. And just keep giving you guys video. And just keep giving you guys video. Video. Something unusual. Always. I'm gonna put it inside the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? So I'm gonna bake this for, you know, roughly 15 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna see. So I'm gonna put the time right here.
Get one table. Get one table.
And I'm gonna start the time.
Get one nice table.
Thank you guys for supporting me. I really appreciate everything that you guys are doing for me. You guys pushing me to do more video and more video. You guys can check out my callaloo cake. You can check out my avocado spinach cake. You can check out my avocado fries. You can check out my ackee cake. You know, thank you guys for supporting me. You guys know where to follow me already. You know, you can go on Facebook at The Aroma Taste, and TikTok, The Aroma Taste, Instagram, The Aroma Taste. And you know the YouTube channel already, The Aroma Taste. So go over there, just give The Aroma Taste a support, okay? Thank you all so much. Hey, so here is the finishing product of the strong back cake. So I'm going to take it out and cut a slice. Nice. You know, you go inside it. You know, yeah. Cut it out. The strong back cake, look at that. Still hot, guys. You can taste the banana. I'm tasting them. It's good. That's the first thing I popped in my mouth was the banana. Because it's still warm, so I'm not getting the fried flavor yet. You know, you can't taste a cake when it's warm. But it's good. It's real good. I can feel it. So guys, this is the strong back cake. Got all the ingredients that make a strong back inside. So you know, guys know where to follow me on Facebook, follow me on TikTok, Instagram at The Aroma Taste. And you know my YouTube channel already, The Aroma Taste, guys. It's really good, trust me, guys. Super nice, I can feel it. Oh my god. So this is the end of the video, guys. Until next time again, guys, you know you can go and check out my my spinach avocado cake, callaloo cake, my fried avocado, my ackee cake, my curry lentil, my vegan style coconut calamari, my fried ice cream. Just go ahead, guys, just check out the channel, guys. There's a lot there, guys, you can learn from, okay? So thank you guys for all the support. Tell a friend to do a subscribe, okay? You know it's the Aroma Taste guy here. So thank you all. See you guys next time in the next video. So stay tuned. Every Wednesday I post a video. So subscribe so you can get a notification. Bing! You know, guys. Alright.